In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import JSON file in Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring data from a JSON file into a Trello board using a simple power-up, so you can quickly rebuild lists and cards without manual copy-paste. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trello and press Enter. Click the official Trello website in the results to open it. If you're not already there, go ahead and navigate to the workspace and board where you want the JSON content to appear. It's best to choose or create a board that's ready to receive new lists and cards, especially if you're importing a full set of items. On your board, look for the Power-Ups icon. This is where Trello lets you add extra functionality to your board. Click the icon, then choose Add Power-Ups to open the Power-Ups directory. In the search box, type Import to Board, JSON for Trello. When you see it in the results, click it to open the Details page. From there, click Add to include it on your board. If Trello prompts you to confirm or enable it, click Add again to finish turning it on. After a moment, the power-up will be ready to use. Return to your board and look for the new Import to Board icon that appears once the power-up is enabled. Click that icon to open the Import panel. You'll see an option to browse for a file. Click Browse, then select your JSON file from your computer. For best results, use a file that follows Trello's JSON structure, such as one created from a Trello export or formatted to match lists and cards. If your file is large, give it a moment to load after selecting it. With the file chosen, choose the option to import all lists. This tells the power-up to bring in every list and its cards from the JSON, placing them directly onto your current board. The import may take a few seconds. Once it completes, you should see the newly created lists and cards appear in order. If anything looks off, check that your JSON is properly structured and try again. That's it. You opened Trello, enabled the Import to Board, JSON, for Trello Power-Up, selected your JSON file, and imported all lists. This approach saves time, preserves structure, and gets your board ready to use fast. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.